Lala, I sing happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Punta ka sa
Uncle Jong, happy birthday. Kumun, magsilsulaman mo, Lana. Ayan, araw po yun November 16. So, birthday, 67 mo na. Arong sulaman mo, Uncle Jong, nahirap so, walay sakit. Katon, kasong sulaman mo, Lanang, akam, banger. No nangyari, at kila iniinom ko mo, Uncle Joe. Kila iniinom niya alak. Tapan na namnam yun eh, pambibilay yun. Punta po ang mundo. Basta kayo bungar, nanarumi kayo namin. Nanarumi kayo. Kasi kami rin kakanakan nyo, kung gano'n ka po yung anak mo, nanarumi kayo. Dahil sa labay-bagay so magagawa ang miyod si kayo si ka pero papanang namin si panangaroon mo yun si ka singa kami singa agi ka ng nanay mi pero singa talagang pinaparamdam namin yung pagmamahalod si ka no minsan nakaimbabarong no antura rami na ibabagami at si ka tapara at si ka lalamang man happy birthday, enjoy your day. Kalak mo yun naman ko dyan ha. Araw sulaman mo. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hello guys, good morning. This is Hi Guys TV. Ngayon guys is magluluto tayo ng ginisang kamatis with pork combination. So I have chopped pork, onion, garlic. This guys is the tomato. I'm lazy to do chopping, that's why I put in blender so that it will become easy na. So galing ng duty si Lolo panggabi. So we will use butter and this powder seasoning, paminta and so guys, join with me with my food fusion again. This ginisang kamatis na may baboy or pork. So guys, ilalagay na natin yung butter. Happy birthday sa'yo, Uncle. Hoping that you are okay and celebrating your birthday today. Enjoy your day. Tatagalin mo naman pala. Medyo enjoy mo lang ang birthday mo ngayon. Huwag ka na masyadong uminom kasi matanda ka na. Even na wala kang anak. Medyo bawas-bawasan mo lang yung pag-inom para ma-enjoy mo pa yung ma-enjoy mo pa yung buhay mo. So hindi man namin laging nasasabi sa'yo pero mahal na mahal ka namin ever since nasa bahay ka naman diyan ka tumira sa amin na alam mo naman kung gaano ka namin kamahal. Kahit na parati kang lasing, we love you, Uncle. Happy birthday sa iyo, Uncle Jong. Ito ang iyong pamangkin na si Bajen or Jin. Enjoy your day, Uncle. And alam mo na yun. Papabigay ko na regalo mo. So once again, Uncle Jong, more birthdays to come and enjoy your day.
There is so much
I love you, Uncle Tom.
Something's telling me this time, baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love
So
to
guys,
give.
we will put the garlic.
It's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together.
So followed by onion, guys. Chopped onion.
Oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
And then, isasautay natin siya until translucent yung onion. After that, we will put the chopped pork or the sahog. This ginisang kamatis, guys, is twist with the fork. I don't know what's the outcome because just only I try to make the ginisang kamatis with the I use the butter before I'm using the olive oil or normal oil. But now I try to use this butter. We will see what's the outcome. So I would like to take the opportunity, guys, to invite you on November 21, Grand LS by Rhodes Lagura, her special day grand live stream. Come and join to win more exciting prizes and more singers with the host by Engineer Marty, ang kanyang special one. Shout out from and shout out to all Team Kulkug and Premier 101 and Chinese members, mega shout out. So ilalagay na natin yung chopped pork, guys. Yan. Galing night duty si Lolo. Mabilis ang luto lang to, guys. This is the reality of our life, being a OFW. Pag galing mo ng duty, pag wala kang niluto, maluluto ka bago mo kumain. So, igigisa natin yung guys, yung pork sa butter. Shout out to all admin of Team Kulkug and Premier 101, Kuya Farts, Rhodes Lagura, Engineer Marty, Bandolino Channel, Magandang Chari, mega shoutout. Kay Tito Cheng Kitchen, mega shoutout. Alan Cabatu, mega shoutout. Richmond and Elise, mega shoutout. Just take care for driving, Daddy Rich. The road is icy and slippery. And also, Ecosina, mega shoutout. My alter ego, mega shoutout. Sa aking apo na si Shy Heart, mega shoutout. Maricel Yana Vlog, Chinese TVPH, Christine Lamsin Balido, mega shoutout. Hello. Saan yung era? I put the black pepper and seasoning powder. Ubos na yung Himalayan salt ko, guys, kaya normal salt na lang ang nalagay ko. Yan. Kay Precious, shout out sa may-ari ng itlog, kay Nate.
Carry on with your nights. Get out of my sight. Get out of my way. Didn't come here for you. Knew you killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry
Shout
on
out
with your nights.
sa may-ari ng itlog, Lumis Mangkulo, kay Guys, ganun lang ang paghingi pag wala kayong itlog. Shoutout nyo lang yung may-ari para alam nila na kayo ang kumuha. Pero pag kabili nyo, palitan nyo na lang. So guys, lalagyan natin siya ng salted swing paste. Kunti na lang, kaya lalagay ko ng lahat. Bango guys ng sahog palang ulam na. Guys, baka magtaka kayo yung kamatis guys, tinatamad ako maghiwa kaya binlender ko siya. Parang ano lang yan guys. Parang pakwan lang smoothie. So tatanggalin natin yung ano guys kasi nagsabaw siya yung tomato. Yan. Antayin natin matanggalin sa bawang niya. So yan guys, ilalagay na natin ang itlog. Yan ang aking ginisang kamatis with pork. So yan guys, yung ginisa kong kamatis with pork. Masarap siya guys, kaya kakain na tayo. Yan. I just want to say happy birthday kay Paul Adviento. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come and God bless. Ka-birthday mo rin pala si Uncle Jong. So once again, Paul Adviento, mega shoutout and happy birthday. So guys, good morning again. Mr. Lola Kalisidi. Ito yung niluto kong ginisang kamatis
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가
Kape.
널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐. 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. I'm going crazy. 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 아무런 일도 할 수 없는 걸. I'm going crazy. 오늘은 너에게 내 맘을 고백할게. 내 맘을 받아줘. 영원히 변치 않을 테니. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. I'm going crazy. 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 I'm going crazy. 내 맘을 받아준 오늘 완벽해진 하루.
Tulog na. So once again, thanks for watching and God bless everyone.